Cracks are perfectly normal. Everyone has them. No, I really mean it. Everyone has driveway cracks. We tend to see driveways as this invincible infrastructure that can take anything. But that unfortunately isn't the case. That RV you've got out front is a lot of weight. And so is that home renovation dumpster you just ordered. But believe it or not, it isn't just our own doing. The weather affects it quite a bit as well, where heat versus cold and also rain make it easier for driveways to crack. For the most part, fixing driveway cracks is a relatively simple do-it-yourself project. You'll simply use a mixture of sealants and caulking, depending on how bad the crack is. We've included a handy walkthrough from how-to expert Bob Villa. You'll find everything you need to tackle this maintenance project with confidence. Just know that most driveway, garage floor, and even some foundation cracks are not a structural issue. Most of the time, you're looking at natural settling and from the impacts of weather. Thank you for watching this episode. See you on the next video, where we give you a simple and cheap tool to make sure that your foundation isn't soaking up a bunch of water. We'll see you then.